Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a taco salad. So let me get started. And here are the ingredients. Here I have chili powder, red sea salt. I have onions. I have garlic, cayenne, oregano, cumin, black pepper, and paprika. So let me get started. I will tell you exactly how much I put in the pot here. I'm cooking in my Instant Pot. I have it on saute. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that ready to go. I have placed a half a stick of butter in the pot there. The ground turkey does not have that much fat, so that's why I'm adding some butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add the ground turkey to the pot. Still kind of frozen, but it should be okay shortly. Just break it up. That's 1 pound of turkey, a Jenny-O turkey. I'm going to start off with the chili powder. Let that cook for a little bit so it can unfall. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Just trying to chop it up some. And I'm going to add the black pepper. That's a teaspoon of black pepper. Really fast. And that was my taco seasoning mix. So you can use that when you want to make tacos instead of buying the stuff out of the store. Oh, I forgot one thing. I add a little stevia to my mix there. Just a half a pack of stevia. We mix it up. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let that hang out a little bit. I'm gonna wash my hands. This is about a teaspoon of vinegar. Okay. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna place this on low. Taste it just to make sure it's fine. Oh, it's perfect. Don't need anything else. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this salad. I got it in this salad cleaner. It's full of water. Let's pour out some of the water now. Spin it again. Removing more water. Always wash your salad, mixed salad, because it does have dirt on it, even though they say they can clean it. Okay, now I'm just going to let it sit until I'm ready for it. Okay, I'm getting ready to make the taco salad. What I do, I tear my mixed vegetables so that is easier to pick up with a fork. That's what I do. And I usually have about 2 cups of lettuce on this plate. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other plate. Okay, this is our taco salad here. We have the ground turkey on the top, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers. Then I have a little sour cream on mine, and along with some cheddar cheese. And this is Bill's here. Cucumbers, he doesn't like tomatoes, so cheese, and his favorite sour cream dressing. Okay, so that's what we're having for dinner today. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment if you like, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.